Hi, this short video shows the software products I currently use to run my fine art business. I show you the software and steps I used back in 2005 when my work started to sell in galleries. Then, I show how it is today when I am not represented in galleries and am responsible for all aspects of my business. In 2005, I was accepted into my first gallery. I would make the artwork. Then, I would photograph the piece, keeping an image of each piece in a file on my computer. I would add the image to my then brand new website. I would drop off the painting at the gallery. They would take care of framing, marketing, managing relationships with collectors, hosting events, showing the work in their gallery, making the sale, and paying the artist. I had my own management tasks. So, when they paid me, I deposited the check in the bank, did the bookkeeping for income and expenses, and completed the federal and state taxes. At that time, I did a few local, in-person classes using presentation software. Finally, I did some local and regional marketing, including publications, contests, shows and newsletters. Today, I am still responsible for making the artwork. I order frames from pictureframes.com. I record my images by either scanning or photographing the painting. My software for scanning is called View Scan, which works with my printer and allows me many edits before the scanning process is completed. I have a better camera now that formats my images in both JPEG and RAW. I use Digital Photo Professional that came with my camera to adjust the raw image. When the editing is complete, I use Photoshop to make 3 sizes of the image. I download the large size of the image into Fine Art America, which is a company that offers print on demand. The customer can order framed prints, mugs, and many other items. I can make a screen print of the image in a virtual frame on this site that can be used as a mock-up. Then, I take the framed mock-up and put it in software called Canva. That software allows me to add the image to a room. After making sure the wall colors and other aspects are in place, I download a room mock-up. Room mock-ups are really cool in your website. Finally, I go to Canva to add graphics to my photos and mock-ups. This is a great site for all sorts of things, including thumbnails for videos, posts and pins for social media, business cards, you name it. Nowadays, I do online video lessons. I start by videotaping while I paint the image. My main editing software is Camtasia. It is very good and also allows me to record screen images. I can make a video using my webcam and Logitech Capture software. I can adjust my sound using Audacity. I can use Talkia for voiceovers, like what I am using in this video. I can create presentation videos using Doodly, like this video. The final step of the process is to take the completed videos and compress them using Handbrake. Now, I upload the videos to YouTube, which is probably the most used video platform. It is considered to be one of the most powerful search engines available today. However, there are so many videos, it can be hard to get your video seen because of the algorithms that are used. For that reason, I use TubeBuddy software to check my video listings to be sure they will meet the algorithm criteria as much as possible. I then download the videos, using the same listing information, into Rumble. It is a relatively new video platform that doesn't have as many videos to compete with. I find that more people subscribe for my channel on Rumble than YouTube. If I want to do a more formal course with multiple video units, I can use Voomly. It allows for students to pay for the course. This is a new software for me and I have plans for courses in the near future. So, now that we have the photos, graphics and videos set up, we can set up our sales sites. First, I use a powerful software called Artwork Archive. It is a database that keeps track of all my images, descriptions, prices, customers, events, awards, and accomplishments. It has a nice front end for collectors to view my work, but it is not quite as nice as having a website. So, I use the information from Artwork Archive to upload the piece into my main website. I created this site using WordPress with Divi Elegant as a theme. It has a blog and also is connected to Google Analytics. Additionally, I have an Etsy store, which I am not currently using. Plus, I have an eBay store and a daily Paintworks gallery where I can offer auctions. I can receive payments through all these sales sites. I manage my business as before. I use PayPal or checks to collect funds. I still do my own bookkeeping and taxes. As for marketing, I do many of the same things, only on a national level. My work has been shown in Southwest Art magazine. I have had several successes in contests. A few years ago, I became a member of the Oil Painters of America, which is a juried affiliation group. I am still working on national shows. Now I create my newsletter using ConvertKit software to manage my email list and email campaigns. So, let's talk about finding collectors, which used to be the job of the gallery. Social media is where I am working on building my following. I use Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. Like YouTube, these platforms operate using algorithms in order to be seen by your followers. These algorithms rely on volume of posts or pins. In order to get some efficiency around this activity, I used Creator Studio for Facebook and Instagram and Tailwind for Pinterest to schedule images and videos to my artist pages. Finally, I manually pin my content to my MeWe artist page. Although not shown, I use Word, Excel, and Publisher for many things. I'm sure I missed a few software products, but as you can see there are plenty. Other companies have offerings similar to those I use, but I found that most of these are pretty user-friendly. Some are very expensive, but many offer free or low-cost options. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy trails and passion on!